Local news for Thursday the 18th of April. An engineering assessment of the Masterton Library has found parts of the building need strengthening to bring it up to building standards. The assessment has found that the building is generally sound, but two isolated parts will need strengthening. Chief Executive Kath Ross says we have discussed the assessment with engineers to determine whether the building should be closed to the public or not. Such was the case with the Wellington Library and the Masterton Town Hall. South Wairarapa District Council have voted to join Wellington Water as a shareholder and become a client of its Three Waters management services. Wellington Water is jointly owned by 5 councils in the Wellington region, including Porirua, Upper and Lower Hutt, Wellington City and Greater Wellington Regional Council. And buses will replace most trains on the Wairarapa line between Wellington and Masterton this weekend. From tomorrow and throughout Easter weekend, Metlink are encouraging anyone travelling to check timetables and please plan in advance. And finally in sport, round 3 of Premier Rugby will see all games played tonight under lights, with Eketahuna hosting Marist at 7:35. Gladstone will play Masterton and Red Star at 7, and Martinborough, Carterton, Greytown and East Coast will all battle it out with games from 6 and 7:30 at Trust House Memorial Park.